We all see who the real fascists are here in Washington State. And it's not these wonderful patriots over here. It's the group using fascist tactics of the Nazi brown shirts to intimidate and silence the free speech of their opponents. We showed up to our event, and we never showed up to yours. We know who the real fascists are, so using Nazi tactics.
And you showed up to the vigil of Kevin Peterson. Fuck y'all. Fuck y'all, every single one of you. A black man was killed, and you guys showed up with guns.
Country and love our state, support our police.
45 billion, 1776 million, dig 100,000 miles an hour. No, bitch. I got my pick in the shovel, I struggle till I get paid. Mother bitch. I got my dick in the middle, so bitch. I got my pick in the shovel, I struggle till I get paid. Mother bitch. I got my dick in the middle, so bitch. 1776 million, 100,000 miles an hour.
Shit.
He ran up and grabbed me. I know.
Come on, man. Nothing. He fucking scum. Fucking scum. I don't want to help. I'm not here to help him. We've helped for 4 fucking years back.